Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the Dr. Scholl's Hard Skin Remover Nano Glass Foot File. Received 4.7 out of 5 stars and over 30,000 have been purchased in the past month alone. Achieve smooth, flawless feet with the Dr. Scholl's Hard Skin Remover Nano Glass Foot File. Designed with advanced nanoglass technology, this foot file effortlessly removes even the toughest calluses and dead skin, leaving your feet silky soft and looking their best. Whether you're prepping for sandal season or just want to feel more comfortable in your favorite shoes, the ergonomic design and precision of Dr. Scholl's foot file ensures a spa-like treatment right in the comfort of your own home. Say goodbye to rough, unsightly skin and hello to beautifully healthy feet. Durable and gentle and easy to use, it's the essential tool for those who care about foot care done right. Because when your feet feel good, you feel good. So how exactly do you use it? Soak your feet in warm water for 10 to 15 minutes to soften the hard skin, or use it after a bath or shower for best results. Pat your feet dry, but leave them slightly damp for optimal effectiveness. Gently rub the hard skin or calluses in a circular or back and forth motion. Rinse and moisturize your feet, then clean the file. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.